Hi everyone, just a follow-up video for my headband tutorial that I just posted. I managed to finish the one in 1x1 rib, so I wanted to really show you how to do it if you don't want it to curl and if you don't want to make it in stockinette. This one, as you can see, I've done it in plain rib. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stitches still. So the same amount of stitches, the same yarn, the same needles. I just knitted it in 1x1 rib, and I've stitched it here with just a normal stitch. It doesn't have to be anything fancy because I'm going to show you what we're going to do to that. So I've knitted another little piece, and I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is on 10 stitches for about 2.5 inches. It doesn't really matter because it's stretchy, so it's going to stretch over. But this is what we're going to do in order to cover this and make the headband look nicer. You need a tapestry needle and scissors, and we're going to take one of these yarns, one of these ends like this, and I'm just going to kind of stitch this in and out to curl it up a bit. I'll show you what I mean. So just put your needle through in and out, and then pull it here until it gathers like this, and then you want to go back over it to the end. So as you can see, it's in a nice it's starting to be like a nice gathered headband. And then we're going to make a knot, tie it up tight quite a few times so it doesn't come undone, and cut those ends. Okay, and then we're going to take this and cover our headband with the little piece, and you go inside of it, and we're going to make a knot of with the two ends. Oh. Just make a knot and take one of the ends okay, and then we're just going to stitch it up on the inside. So again, it doesn't have to be the most beautiful seam because you're not going to be able to see it because it's going to be on the inside of the headband. Okay, so this is what it looks on the front. And you can arrange your pleats here so they look nice like that. And what I find that it's good is to stitch the little piece in your headband in your headband, just so it doesn't move around. So it just stays put and it's not going to move around. It's not going to come off that seam that you have there. It's just going to stay covering it all this time. And when you get to the end of it, make a knot again. Okay, and thread the both ends through. I don't know what's up with me today. I just can't talk. Okay, and just, you know, roughly weave in the end. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said, because it's on the inside. And when you've gone in and out a couple of times, well, this doesn't have to come, it shouldn't come out of the needle. Go in and out, and then just cut your yarn, and it's going to be there secured. And yeah, here it is. This is the other kind of headband that you can make. Like I said, it's very simple. 8-inch stitches, 1 by 1 rib. Make it as to fit your head, but stop half an inch shorter so it stretches a little bit. Then knit another little piece and cover the seam with it. And there you go. A beautiful headband, perfect for spring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.